down here.
Hey guys, we're gonna do some ball hauling, so watch the video and see how you like it. Is that perfect?
We got the Rock Rider over here. It's 4-wheel drive. It doesn't have diff lock though. So let me show you guys how it doesn't have diff lock. Okay. So look, when I put it up, only these two wheels are trying to go. See, look, only those two wheels are trying to go.
Yeah.
That one has diff lock. We just got some new wheels and tires for it.
And a new
You'll probably
light
know
bar.
it from the old channel. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the Helion Rock Rider. I'll put the link down in the description for it. I'll put the link down in the description for the deadbolt. Oh, man. Wasn't paying attention. All right, let's do some here.
Okay, we're gonna do another video. Take 2. We're gonna do another rock crawling video. So
With the Rock Rider. We're
with the Rock Rider Helion. Let's go.
Links down in the description.
Links down in the description.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
We're gonna fill this up with mud later.
Yeah. We're gonna take the Axial through it. See guys, this is
found the limit to this thing. We're gonna try it again. Okay. Got some speed. This is a Baja vehicle, so you have to get speed with what you do. We're gonna drive back here in the grass.
Put the body back on.
Undoing the
Put the body back
Rock Rider.
Put the body
Right there. You're in that. Okay, just put the pins on the top. All right, let's just take a look around this. All right, we're gonna go through some grass right now. High grass. Go back here. Discover what's back here. Okay, zoom in. No diff lock, so we're gonna have to back up. Try to go over the stick again. Yeah. Oh, crap. We might have to winch. If I get stuck, we're gonna have to get yours to go winch me out.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, this thing's getting good. Let's bring it up here.
Look how good that looks. We're rock crawling. Starting. Rolling. See, he goes, you always want to go up to the side.
Jiggle. Okay. I can get it. I can get it.
Okay, guys, we're trying to go up this valley
we're rock
with
crawling up this valley. Zoom in. Got it. All right, get a video of me going down. Oh, keep going. You see it? At the Axial deadbolt, the lights, the TRX4 wheels, Traxxas. Alright guys, you guys know that the last one, they just made out some 4GT lights. So, Leroy here. Sneak peek. The next video. yeah. So I got a, his name's Leroy, but I got the 4GT body. So put in the comments, should I get lights? Should I get the lights for this body? Because well, actually, I'm gonna get a new body tomorrow. I'll get a video at the RC store. But yeah, yeah, sneak peek, and yeah, and here's the box. That's where we was dazing that night in the garage. Yes, sir, boys. All right, so yeah, so what's it called? Leroy might get him till I'm gonna get the Mustang body if they have it for him tomorrow, and some new tires, sneak peek. And yeah, and there will be a video coming up about Leroy, his story. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and that green car, that was Harrison's car, and we're gonna make more videos about that. The gears are broken right now because we broke it while we were driving. I don't know, just stopped moving. It was because I don't know. So we're gonna get the gears fixed tomorrow, and we're gonna make more videos with it. I think his truck looks awesome. Got the new light bar, got the new tires, and please, like I said, like, subscribe. Links will be in the description below to where I get my cars, and have a great day. Peace out.